So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bharat Bhatia and this is the first time we are talking face to face. Now in this channel, we'll only talk about smart money concept and all the strategies which we can use to become profitable. Not only that, I'll also try to give you some guidance and some free courses regarding smart money concept which you can also use to become profitable in your trading journey. I know आप लोग बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हो रिगार्डिंग नॉट ओनली स्मार्ट मनी कॉन्सेप्ट बट ट्रेडिंग द मार्केट which is confusing you and you are not able to do great in this market. But don't worry, I have got you covered. I'll not only teach about smart money concept but the psychology and the risk management used to become profitable. ओके एंड मेरी सारी वीडियोस जो है वो काफ़ी रॉ रहने वाली है, जिसमें आई हैव ओनली वांट टू गिव यू all the learnings that I have been studying for the past few years now. Okay, so stay tuned for more and more videos. This is gonna be a great series and a great learning experience for you guys. ठीक है, और मेरी बस आपसे ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपको ये कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है, नॉलेजेबल लगता है एंड आई एम helping you out in any way possible, then you should, I think, share these videos among your friends and among other people you know, so that they can also have a benefit from these things, and it can also help me growing this community as much as we can. ठीक है, तो let's start. See, सबसे पहले I want to show you this GBP USD chart of mine. अगर आप इसको ध्यान से देखेंगे तो there are some trades which I have took, some are profitable, some hit my stop loss, some did not hit even anything, some like this one hit stop loss, sometimes it hits target, sometimes it does not even fill your trade. But now, what are the psychology why I took this trade and many others among these? And that is what I want to share with you people, so that you can understand how smart money is working and how you can apply the same on your charts as well. So we'll start from the basic of smart money concept कि smart money काम कैसे करता है, but mostly कि smart money कैसे आपको एक plot करना है. What is the structure mapping behind smart money concept? Because अगर आप एक support and resistance वाले trader को देखेंगे तो they'll draw the resistance here, right? But as you can see that the market has grabbed some liquidity and went downward. Or as you can see, sometimes market will draw these support, but sometimes market sweeps this low and go to up the side. So now what is the psychology behind all these, right? What and how the smart money works in these scenario, that is why I'm here to talk you about. I'm not saying that only these smart money concept works, but also that जब smart money को आप पढ़ेंगे so then you'll able to understand the structure of the market कि market up trend में है या down trend में. बट एट द सेम टाइम्स इसके साथ साथ बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि आप हायर टाइम फ्रेम को भी नज़र में रखें. लाइक दिस इज आई शेयर दिस एग्जांपल विद यू. ठीक है, तो आप जब हायर टाइम फ्रेम को भी उसमें कंसिडरेशन में रखते हैं देन काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है आपके लिए इन ऑर्डर टू कैच द ट्रेड्स इन द लोअर टाइम फ्रेम. ठीक है, तो ये मेरा एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन था आपके लिए. मैं आपको हेलो बोलने आया था. ठीक है, और हम अब स्टार्ट करेंगे धीरे धीरे स्मार्ट मनी की वीडियोस. स्टे ट्यून्ड. ओके.